Hey folks, welcome back. This is Jamaican Jermaine, my Jamaican life. Just down here in South Carolina. I mean, everything is just strange. Um, First thing I noticed is a lizard right here. And I haven't seen a lizard in a long time, like especially this up close. You know what I mean? Yeah, this place is nice. It's country, but I like it. We got some nice outdoor plants here. You know, this is the South, folks. This is the South. I'm just gonna walk around, do a little bit of videos. Kind of remind me of some place in the country back home. This is Pageland, South Carolina, and I'm back to the lizard. As y'all can see, lizard man in his business doing this thing, and I'm messing around with him. So yeah, I'm just gonna walk around a little bit. Good to see. So yeah, my in-laws come up from Georgia with a vehicle tag, Georgia. And this is ours over here. As you can see Maryland, right? But yeah, this is country as you can get it. See the homes? Yep, it is country. Let's walk around and just have a look. The houses are different. Kind of remind me of country. When I say country, I mean country in Jamaica. Countryside. And the yard right here. You don't see no chickens right here though, but I'm gonna go someplace later on where there's chickens, okay? So next door over there. But I did pass some place where it's like really, really worse country. You see some stuff is just ew. Yeah. This is the back of the yard. Satellite. But yeah. I know them kids ain't gonna go nowhere near that damn lizard. But this is just the back of the yard. This is the country, the South. I don't want to go too far. You know what I mean? I'm a black man, so I just gotta keep it. Stay close where I'm at. Not trying to sound scary or anything, but this place is known for being anti-black. So here are the houses. You see how they are spaced out? One over there, other one is over that side, other one is over that side. And then I think that goes back to like some industrials or something like that. But yeah, I'm gonna do some more videos for you guys later on. But for right now, just looking at it, you can just see it's very country. Look up the street, there's nothing. You turn around, and you look down the street again, it's just, look at it. It's just long and bare, there's nothing. It's nothing. The difference between here and Jamaica, these trees would be fruit trees, It's nothing in them. It's empty. Nothing. But yeah, I'm gonna do a lot more videos for you guys later on. In the middle of the road. Sorry. I realized I was in the road. Yeah. Let's look at it, Yep. I'll run some video later on. Y'all get to see what it's like down here. This is next door. A little shed, gate open, dog can run out and bite your ass. These people are known for pit bulls. Pit bulls are vicious dogs. So yeah, I'm gonna go on the tour later on and do some yard tours. I wanna go someplace where they have some chickens or some stuff like that. What is this right here? What the hell is that? Like something got caught up in some spider web right there. Look at that. I have no clue what the fuck that is. I'm not trying to find out. Kind of remind me of, a house in Jamaica. You could walk around the entire house. Could walk around the whole yard. Kids used to play in the backyard and all that, you know. But this is a total difference. This was in Jamaica. This be a almond tree. This tree right here be a almond tree. Yeah, it's not a almond tree. I see that sign that said "Beware of a dog." I haven't seen those signs in a long time. Beware of a dog. That's telling me now. There's a sign that said "Beware of a dog" and there's no fucking fence. Wow. There's no fence. What does that say? Keep walking. The hell away. So yeah. Yeah. This is what it is, people. This is really, really country. I'm gonna come up to the side of the street right here. It's my wife's grandmother lives next door. So we're here to see her. It's actually her mom's birthday, so we're coming to see her mom. Then her mom's wishes to see her grandmother. So, just look. Look at this place. It is so country. It's cool and quiet there, but I don't think I could do this, you know. I like to mix and mingle. Get over here for me. Yeah. Look at that big ass truck right there, old ass truck. The hell that is, look at it. Yeah, these people, they mostly drive trucks. That's what I noticed. Everybody has a truck. Yeah. Well, yeah, this is just a little piece of South Carolina. I'm gonna do some more videos later on, and you know, we get to go down in the woods and you guys get to see a lot of stuff, but yeah, I want to run into a redneck. That guy look like a big ass redneck. I ain't trying to get in trouble. I'm trying to go home to my boys. Oh yeah. Just like a square right here where you cannot make a left or a right turn, they say. Yeah, see, trucks, see? All big vehicles, look at that. All big vehicles. All big vehicles. Yeah, I seen some rednecks coming on. See, truck, minivan, truck. Wow, look at the trucks that drive down this motherfucker. And everybody is white. What the hell are you looking at, Buster? Yeah, I'm gonna try to head back to the house now before all this traffic gets caught up. But yeah, I'm walking back to my house now. And as you can see, it's nice though, you know, it's nothing bad or anything about it. It's nice, it's cool. Oh yeah. See if the lizard's still there. Dog puppy walking right. Yeah. Walking along the mailbox on the side of the street way out. This one is rusty. Somebody got their grill right there and the basketball hoop, all that stuff right there. Oh yeah. I'm back home, the birds. You know, the birds eat these stuff right here. See it? These ones are ripe. Yeah, but these poisonous for the birds, I'm not sure. Something seems, I think birds eat these. Oh yeah. Yeah. There's a little grocery store across there. As you can see, look at the street, folks. I remember back in Jamaica, I used to have to walk to the grocery store. Long. But yeah, this is cool though. This is cool. back to the house. So just look around a little bit. But I'm going to do a lot more videos later on, okay? So you guys get to see. You know, this is the South. This is completely different. You know, everything. What I like a house, you can walk around a house. I think they don't get that much winter here. You know, not that much winter here. So the weather is pretty hot sometimes. But I think October, so it dip a little bit. But it's not as cold as up north. Yeah, this is South, deep South. You can't get no deeper than South. Well, shit, Mississippi and Alabama. I think that's deeper South. Yeah. Just her plants right here. Used to love these plants. I don't know what you call these plants. Yeah, hanging plants. If the lizard's still there, probably gone by now. Yeah. But yeah, this is, you know, this plant. I don't know what you call this plant right here. But this plant has the thorn at the edge of it. We call it maca. And that plant right there, I knew that plant. Just have that plant. Yep. See if any more lizards on the trees. Nope. But yeah, this is where we at right here. You know, just gonna head back in. But I promise you guys, I'm gonna do some more videos for you later on. You guys get to see a little bit more of the South. And this is like deep South. Alright. Mr. Lizard is gone. See, he's gone. He's nowhere near here. You're gonna take your eyes off of them. Alright folks, y'all have a good one. Catch y'all later. Ciao.